A civil authority has issued a nuclear power plant warning for the following New Jersey counties: Cumberland and Salem. Effective until 5:15 p.m., a general emergency has been declared for people that live within 10 miles of the Salem/Hope Creek nuclear generating station following a partial meltdown of the reactor core. A small release of radioactivity has been confirmed, and a precautionary evacuation has been ordered for those that live within 10 miles of the Salem/Hope Creek nuclear generating station. If you choose to evacuate, take only items that you deem essential, such as medication, battery/hand crank radio, batteries, important documents, and a first aid kit. Do not open vehicle windows. Law enforcement will control traffic and maintain security in areas that are being evacuated. If you are sheltering in place, go indoors immediately and lock all windows and doors, turn off air conditioning and other air ventilation systems that may bring in air from the outside, and keep your animals indoors. If you live within 25 miles of the Salem/Hope Creek nuclear generating station, you are also under the mandatory shelter-in-place order. Be prepared to leave if the situation changes. For additional information, the public may call the New Jersey Office of Emergency Management Public Inquiry Line at 1-60963-6900.
We're gonna be brave, and we're gonna get out of this.
We are playing to win!
There's the one who sobs at happily ever after.
I think you're beautiful.
And the one whose favorite